Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M5, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset your device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings. From here, choose About Phone, where you'll find a little bit lower option called Factory Reset. Now once you click on it, it gives you a list of things that I guess are important, so accounts, contacts, photos, videos, apps, backups, SD card data, and other items on the device. Now this basically suggests that it erases all of them, but it's not necessarily the case, because number one, SD card data, it doesn't mean the data that is on the SD card. It just means like some cache that might be left over on the device. So whatever you keep on your SD card, it's completely fine. You don't need to worry about that. Same goes for your accounts. They won't be actually like deleted or anything. They will be just signed out of the device. The most important things that you might want to worry about are things like photos, videos, contacts, and maybe music and documents if you keep them locally on your phone. If you don't, then you don't even need to worry about that either. Now, if you want to back up your device because you want to keep some of those stuff, you can select Erase All Data, which is counterproductive, and it gives you the backup option right over here. So you can do that right now. Now, I don't really have anything to back up, so I'll just straight up jump to Factory Resetting it. Now this will then give me a message, attention, Factory Reset will erase all data on your device. Like, I surely hope so. So there we go. We can, after 10 seconds have been wasted, we can press next and have another 10 seconds wasted. Well done, Xiaomi. That's already like several minutes of my life that I will never get back. I recorded this video several times for different devices. So anyway, from here select OK. After another 10 seconds was wasted, and this will begin factory resetting your phone. Now this entire process should take like 1 to maybe 5 minutes tops. So it's a relatively quick process. Once it's finished, we'll be then greeted with the setup screen for this phone. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.